Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another Ipsy unboxing for the month of June. Yeah, it's June. I can't believe it. It's summertime, guys. I hope you are enjoying your summer. My kids are personally done with school, so we're excited. They're excited. We've just been chilling all week, but right now we don't even have any vacation plan for this summer. We've got other priorities. My son is going to college soon, so that's very exciting. Well, that's going to be next year, but of course the planning starts now. Comment down below what you're planning to do this summer. I would love to hear all about it. But yeah, we've got our Ipsy bags this month. Again, this is gifted to me by Ipsy. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending me these bags. We've got the Glambag and the Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you want to know what's in these bags this month, then keep on watching. So let's start with the Glambag. This is the month of June. I love the bag this month. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's see-through and it's like a mesh material, but it's like padded. I love the pink and yellow color. It just screams summer, and the blue zipper. Ooh, it says love. Usually it says Ipsy, you know. All right, let's see what's in here. So this bag is like, I think $13 a month, $14 a month. I'll put the pricing here somewhere. It's a subscription, makeup subscription. You get 5 deluxe sample size products. Sometimes you get one full-size item. Actually, it's not sometimes, it's all the time. You get one full-size item. Let's start with the full-size item, but I can't read it. It says get the location. Get it? Like vacation location. I love this creamy nude, liner. I think you could either put this under like as an eyeliner on your waterline to brighten it up, or you could go dark like me. I have like an eyeliner on my bottom lash line. So yeah, I love these duo. It's perfect for vacations because you have both colors. So whatever you need for that look, you have it. So okay, I'm gonna think about this. I want to keep it, I think. Okay, the other thing is by Mark Anthony, Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment for dry, damaged hair. It hydrates and softens. I wonder how this stands up against my INH hair oil. I have it on my hair right now, and all you see is kind of like a shiny hair, not an oily hair. It just absorbs nicely into my hair, and then it disappears. Like the oiliness disappears, and you're just left with a healthy, shiny hair, and I just love it. I think this one, it's like a leave-in conditioner. I'd be curious to see how that works. Ciate London Everyday Coconut Lip Oil. Okay, I have been needing a lip oil. Finally, Ipsy. Right now, Ipsy has given me like so many makeup products like lipstick and, blushes and highlighters, but I would love a really good lip oil like from Merit. Lancome has another really good lip oil. So Ciate London, I'm gonna try you out. Can't wait to try that one. And then, I've had this before, the Estate Highlighter in a deluxe size. But really, guys, all you need is this, and it will last you at least 6 months. And this one I'm so excited about, but a Baby Benefit Hula Bronzer. This is my go-to bronzer. And you can put this in a Z palette on vacation, and you have a little bronzer to go. Next one is the Boxycharm by Ipsy. I think this is like around $25 a month. I will again put the exact price here in the description box. It has products of up to $120. I believe they are makeup and skincare products, all full size, 5 items. And as part of your subscription, I believe you get to choose at least one item. Let's go ahead and open this up. The theme for this month is Ready, Set, Play, June 2023. This month, give yourself permission to play, whether you're escaping on a summer vacay or exploring a brand new beauty look with mood-boosting makeup and happy hits of color. Just remember The world is your playground. Oh, I love this. Look, it has celebrities on the card and then like the color that they gravitate towards. So I love pink, and then get the vibe, all over rose. Don't stop with the lips. Add a soft pink to your cheeks and eyes for a monochromatic look. Oh, I love those monochromatic looks. You know what I want to do? I want to do a makeup look for each of these. Okay, red. Red means passion. Get the vibe, which is crimson. Crimson lips. Outline your lips with a liner first to create a sharp shape and longer wear time. And then go in with that red. Yes, so more about this later, guys. And then, okay, let's get into it. A lot of brands I know about, but let's start with Farah. The Farah brushes. These are super soft brushes. We've been getting a lot of face brushes, but not a lot of eye brushes. Oh my gosh, I think I need another powder brush. I love these. Oh my gosh, so soft. So I love like the fluffy but tapered shape, so it could get really under the eyes and be more precise with the powder application, or just, you know, just kind of touching up the T-zone. And then this one, I think I'm gonna put in a giveaway. I'm gonna have another giveaway this month, guys. And it's gonna be everything in this box, okay? Everything. So this is at least half of the products that I got from last month's box, because remember, I got the Icon box, I got the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, I also got the Glambag, the regular one. So there's a lot of goodies in here, guys, so stay tuned and I'll be showing you what's in this box. All right, the other thing is Beauty Bakery Lemon Bar Face Palette. Ooh, I have one that is more of like a trio of bronzer, blush, and highlighter. I wish the middle one was more of a blush instead of another lighter colored bronzer. This formula, guys, if it's the same as the one I have, which I would assume, is amazing. I'm guessing the highlighter is going to be more yellow toned. I think it's going to be beautiful for darker skin tone, but it would just totally pop on lighter skin tones as well. In the summertime, I love those brownie blushes. They're very pretty and natural, especially for no makeup looks. Okay, next one is Neogen. Oh, okay. We are getting so many skincare from Ipsy, and they're all amazing skincare, amazing brands. And if you guys don't know, one of them is in this giveaway, the Glow Recipe. Just got the Glow Serum from JLo. I know I opened one of my Juice Beauty ones, Origins, like I had just opened them. And so I'm gonna stick to that. So this one, even though, guys, Neogen was one of my most favorite exfoliating pads, I wonder if they're still at Sephora, because they were there for once. It was like this lemony exfoliating pads. They were yellow. I love the packaging of Neogen, by the way. And this one is a firming serum, Bakuch oil. Maybe my friend Vanessa would know what type of ingredient that is. Why is the packaging so hard? Oh, so pretty. Yep. Okay, guys. I will be putting this in a future giveaway. Neogen Firming, so very anti-aging. It's got 10% phytoretinol. I'll put what phytoretinol means. Retinol in general is like really good anti-aging ingredient. And then we have the Tress Loose Beauty. I've had this before and love the square packaging. The color, oh my gosh, it has the letter T. I think this is a sign that I should keep it just for that letter T. T for Terry's Corner. Okay, so it's T for Treloose. I don't know how to pronounce it, but look at this color. Oh, you know, I feel bad because I kept the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick that I got last month, and it was too bright. But oh my gosh, I forgot how amazing that formula is. And then the last one is by Elemis. Okay, Elemis is a super bougie, expensive brand, but I want to say they haven't wowed me that much. I've tried like their broccoli serum by Elemis. I've tried like a moisturizer by Elemis. I've also tried a makeup remover by Elemis. So I think those three are the three big ones. I feel like I've tried more, but those three were just a miss for me. So I don't know. But this hydrating serum could be a really good one. And it's huge. Like usually eye serums are small. So it's defined by nature, led by science. See, that's what I love about Elemis. Look at this. This is a whole lot of eye treatment. Usually eye creams are super tiny in a tiny jar, but this one is big and huge, guys. This will last you all year for your eyes. If you have dry eyes, this one's for you. Maybe I'll give Elemis another chance. If not, this will be in a giveaway. That is everything in my Ipsy Glam bag. So guys, for the giveaway, everything in this box basically, guys, is yours. We have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. We have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlighter. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm giving this away. Why am I giving it away? I don't know. The Skin Ink Body Sculpt All Over Body Fit Serum. Lovecraft Beauty Liquid Tip Eyeliner. And then there's some of the deluxe products that I got from last month. The Foaming Cream Cleanser by Korres. Illuminating Highlighter by Jasmine Beauty. So I hope you guys can see that. This is a BFF Friends Forever oil, like vitamin E oil. And then this one is another Glow Recipe Strawberry Smoothie AHA Salicylic Serum. So if you have acne prone skin, this one's for you. It's a good little travel size if you need it. There's another full size here, Great Lengths Mascara. I have too many open mascaras. I just opened the MAC one from last month as well. Last month, guys, if you haven't seen that video, was amazing. Like 3 boxes. Yeah, there were Anastasia products there. There was the JLo product there. It was just amazing. And then the Iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. Let me show you. Oh, okay, yeah. This is your eyeshadow palette for beach looks for sure. This is so pretty. I can't. If I look at this, I'm gonna end up keeping it. One is a coconut coffee scrub. That one's another good one for the body. That is everything in this box. This is all yours. Just comment what you are doing this summer. What are your plans for this summer? And really, even if your plan is just to chill and relax and do nothing, that's really a plan. Sounds like a good plan to me. Also, you'll have a choice of these little bags because I have so many of them. But I'm keeping this, guys. Sorry, I'm keeping it because I love it. But I have other Ipsy Glam bags for you to choose from, and I will throw that in here in this box as well of goodies. So yeah, so that is it. Rules will be in the description box below. This is open to all my subscribers here. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers. How exciting is that, guys? Spread the news, help me get to 2,000 because I'm planning a huge major giveaway when I get to 2,000 subscribers. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, great summer, and I'll see you back in my corner soon. Bye!